First the presenter said that AI is taking job, but is it really that happening? Like we can say that there was industrial revolution in 17th century and 18th century as well, and people were not able to get employment at that time also. But we cannot say that after that time period there was no jobs and no any other field where human can search or work. But we should what we should learn from it, that people needs to develop that talent, skill, and the new ability to think how can we critically think. Then first of all, that just before my presenter, she just mentioned that we need to think that they are creating some deep fake videos also. But that is in the hand of human also, because AI is not generating that deep fake video all by himself. Like if we say that a car is what about, like car is not just about clutch and brake and lever. We have to control it through the handle. And if that handle is in the hand of a human, then how can we say that car did just accident? Because that the controller was a human already. Then we did not just blame on it. Then the second place, I would like to mention about the biases. AI is not free from biases, because it is what is the basic difference between AI and its feature is like LLM, which is large language model. So large language model means it is continuously learning from what the users are giving it to. If we take an example, then there was a tweet name of feature in Microsoft. We just they just tried that facility to provide that what can be happen if the AI is continuously learning. So first of all, its messages was like hello everyone, hi, and that all normal type of messages. And till 9 to 10 hours late, it just shows that today was just messed up, I need to go to sleep, then Hitler didn't do something wrong. Then it was just all filled with the emotions of AI. And this type of scientific sci-fi fiction also can we see that in the movie of Robot also, which is also known to everyone. Like there was not the fault of machine, but it was the human who just changed that chip, and then there was some changes. So we cannot just blame on the AI that saying that it is taking the job. Then there was the mention of teachers, what will teachers do? Like teachers have also many work to do, like apart from like just teaching. Then if one want to know, then we cannot just define, we cannot just define education based on the facts or the summary or the text itself. Because if we want that, then we have already chat GPT, Gemini, and Copilot, which also are just chat bots. They all just clearly mention that we are what we are creating, it is just chat bot, not artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence is, it is continuously learning, then creating something new by itself. Then large language model is something which is which has its own database. And then if we say that we want to create something, then it just connects the dot, it does not create something new by itself. So that is the main purpose of AI. And then apart from teachers, like I was just mentioning that teachers have other work. So what is that? To guide students, to provide them value, to teach them how to prompt correctly, to so that they can get desirable result. That is what important from teachers side. And if particular jobs are being disclosed by AI, then there are chances, like in the past history we have also seen it, that there are still chances that the new jobs or opportunities will be arised, and people needs to develop their type of talent or skill, so that they won't get in unemployment. Thank you.
सेम कॉलेज कोड 15 अगेंस्ट में बोलना 15 कॉलेज कोड नंबर 15.
It's okay, fine. Hello everyone, greetings to all. Thank you for providing background. Okay, so I'm going to talk in against of AI use. Okay, I'm a regular user of AI as a literature student. So when my fellow participant talk about the AI in education, okay, so AI can provide information, AI can teach better than human, but there is a lack of emotion. Who will feel that? A teacher, the relation between teacher and student is something much than just providing information or just teaching something. The emotion that connect teacher and student throughout not just that those academic years, not only throughout those years that are in rule or rule book, but that one single emotion that connects people with us. So I am totally against in this that AI cannot be the good teacher. Yeah, you can use AI for your information, to use it to get another information, to get better and understanding on any other topic, which is teacher is not talking about in class. Okay, now AI in societal life. When fellow participant before us talk about the news of fake news, fake photos, these are the issues that world is facing today. Just need to click one, just single prompt, and you get photo. Is it dangerous? Okay, I accept that technology can bring new changes, technology can bring new mindset, new idealist people, but can be it possible without humanity? Because technology without humanity is dangerous. It is more dangerous than a sword, because AI is a double-edged sword. On the other hand, it provides you information. On the other hand, it is as much as dangerous to you and yourself. The leakage of private data, not the mentioning of many participant before me mentioning the issue about privacy in AI. Okay, suppose I am using AI, the new idea of generating images, the people's perfection, because they do not like the body the way they are, because they do not fit in that, so they go through that perfection, that I want this perfection in through this AI images that I am looking good, beautiful, handsome, or whatever it is. I'm looking. They are not fit into the body. So AI is killing people's curiosity, as well as it's also harms the personal mindset, the thinking, the way they think, the way they apply those things. They are not even good. That they are not even able to accept that this is my real photo, and that is why they are generating these images. And another thing about AI is that the idea of using AI. Okay, as I mentioned that I'm a regular user of AI. We know that how to use AI in our education, how to use AI in medical field, how to use AI in agriculture, how to use AI in many other fields. But what about those things that are still lacking? The part of emotion, the part of that personal and humanistic touch. I'm artist by myself. I'm doing Warli art painting. When I just need to give one single 3 lines prompt and it generates a good portrait or an image. But is it compared to my own art? Is it capable? It is as much as capable that I'm wasting more than 8 years in that particular art field because I love it. I want to explore more in that field. And AI is doing just by the single click or 3 lines prompt. How? It is not acceptable. But we must know that AI is the future, right? We need to accept the AI, but through our imagination. But we must remember that AI does not kill our curiosity, our creativity, and the imagination that human mind needs. AI can create poetry, but is it that much emotional, or it gives that much emotional touch? As Kavidala Bhaya Kag said that Eji Mara Angania Puchine Kokdi Avjo re. As AI is not able to do that. AI is not able to do that. But we must accept that AI is our future. But as I mentioned, that technology without humanity is dangerous. But technology is our future. So thank you so much.